welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesthembu. Abonge noMseleko, they had a very deep emotional conversation. Uthi Abonge, her biggest fear is losing her dad. She never thought in a million years uthi babakhe angagula mhlawumbe babakhe angabashiya emhlabeni. She thinks ukuthi ubabakhe is not a sickly person, so akagula nje akavamile ukugula. So seeing him like this egula kanje and crying, it breaks her heart. And she also said ukuthi yazi she has never thought ukuthi babakhe ngenzeka ukuthi angabe khona graduation yakhe, because she wants him there. Athi babakhe she must just work hard and achieve her goals, even if yena akekho, it doesn't matter. Athi Abonge cha daddy, I want you there, I want you in my graduation. And then athi uMseleko, hi, yes, there were times when I thought I would die, but I didn't. Ngisekhona la and I'm stronger now. And I'm going to continue fighting because my kids need me, they're still young. And then athi uMseleko uyagula, uguliswa ukuthi there are things that he cannot do. Athi Abonge yena it breaks her heart ukuthi that kunabantu who are still putting their needs first, belokhu bembona babakhe ukuthi uyagula, instead of letting him recover first before they put their needs first, but then babhizi bamcela ngey'dingo zabo. And then uMseleko confided like a lot on Abonge, saying that he doesn't want to hide things from her because ufuna yazi ukuthi what's going on. And then Abonge said ukuthi ubabakhe must fight, at least do it for her, and then and that she's there to support him. Also that she did not think ukuthi situation babakhe was this bad. All this time she didn't think that it was this bad. So seeing him like this a week, ekhala, it breaks her heart, and that she had to be strong for him, like remain strong for him, because uyambona ukuthi nje akekho right. And then they spoke athi uMseleko yena i-recovery yakhe, it means nothing. It's pointless if Abonge akamfundisanga kahle akamkhulisanga kahle. So he hopes ukuthi umkhulise kahle Abonge so that i-recovery yakhe ingabi pointless.